Мастер, сам дальше мой вопрос об отношениях детей и родителей. Должны ли родители заботиться о своих детях? А кто переведет?
His question is about the children and the parents.
Должны ли родители заботиться о своих детях и до какой степени? Должны ли дети заботиться о своих родителях? И опять-таки, в каком возрасте? Как должны строиться эти отношения?
The parents need to take care about the children and to what age, and vice versa. To what age do the children need to take care about the parents?
If parents had children and man kids take to he has to stand by himself till 20 years. So 20 years till parents taking care of children. Till he not become young and he go in earn money, take care himself, till parents taking care. So as child become 20, 21, his study finish, he has to go in market, then he has to go. Then he has to say to parents, thank you, very good, you did with me, you take care of me, make me stand, I can go in world. And now, so as children start the earning money, taking care of themselves, then parents' responsibility finish. So anybody has kids has to understand father and mother both should take care of children till he not become totally young. Till he not become stand on his feet. 20 years, 21 years, when he going and start the earning, he become independent. Then, so any couple want to make child both father and mother, wife and husband. This is both responsibility of the children. It is not often happened, father leaving, mother go other man, father go other woman, and this is difficult for kids. So has to take care of both, has to take care of children till they not become independent. When independent, then okay, then finish. Then slowly time coming, parents become old. 60 years, they not working. As parents coming older, 60, 70, they become like a child. Now, children has to give back. Now children has to take care of them, looking them. Before children, like a child, small, he cannot eat, he cannot do, he cannot go anywhere without parents. And slowly when he become young, 20, 30, 40 years, and parents become old, 60 years, 70 years, cannot work, cannot walk, becoming sick start, old, weak, sick. Now children, take care. Now is their time. And every child has karma with parents. Parents has karma with children, children has karma with parents. And children has to pay back. Son has to pay back, daughter has to pay back, parents karma. So karma has and you have to pay back, you have to do service them, you have to take care of them when they become like a child. When they old, they become child. Cannot see much, cannot walk much, getting sick. So when parents become old, cannot do, like they become like a children. Now, children has to take care, like a payback. They give you something, now you have to give back them something. So then is balance. Then your karma is balanced. And if they can go by themselves, parents can go by themselves, then okay. You are not together living, you living separate, they living separate. But if they need you, should be, your love has to come, take care. Because they also now like a children. Now they are 60, 70, 80 years old, cannot walk. And also to parents, you are somebody's parents, will be parents, then slowly you will be old. So one thing I say, when you become old, 60, 70, 80, leave the body, better you leave the body before you dependent on anybody. No need to depend on children, no need to depend on anybody. When you feel I cannot walk now, my eyes is going weak, cannot see, teeth is falling, cannot eat, cannot listening, slowly it will come. As you become after 60, start. So I prefer you, say you, when this situation come, leave the body. Say no, I don't want to. Don't want to depend on anybody. And also not so good. You are lying on the bed, sick, cannot go to toilet, somebody take you, slowly situation come, even you cannot go to toilet also, you have to pee and toilet on the bed, somebody clean you, somebody, very not good for you and not good for them who doing it, who take care of you. Not good. This is like a hell. It is hell. Lying on bed, their toilet, their pee, cannot sit, cannot go out of bed. But it can happen, mostly happen to those people who had very bad karma, bad life. If you cheat anybody, lie anybody, use anybody, negative life then you have to pay back. Mostly these type of people pay back. They lying on the bed, waiting when I will finish, when I will die, when I will leave the body. But karma has to pay back. Whatever you did, you have to pay back. And many in family happened. Parents just lie. Grandfather lying on the bed, grandmother lying, father lying, and difficult for him and difficult for whole family, whole people around him, whatever around. People also don't like. People also thinking when he go, should be finished, should he leave the body? But why not leave the body? Because you have lust for life, lust of life, want to live, want to as much as live. And living why want? Because you not live the life properly, perfect. You have many desires, I want to do this and this in future, and you not living life in present, in moment. If you living life present, Moment to moment, you will enjoy your life fully. And when time coming, you become old, you say, okay, I've seen everything, I've seen the whole world, I enjoy the whole planet, whole world, I enjoy my family, my friends, my people, nature, world. Now I don't. Now my body is weak, I want to live. And meditation teach you this thing. Meditation make you this thing. First thing, how you live the life, and then second, how you die. Meditation teaching both. Who live the life good, they can die good. They will be die sure. Then they waiting for death. Okay, now when death coming, I live, I go. I seen everything. Why people don't want to die? Because they not live the life fulfilled. They not fulfilled with the life. If you fulfill with life, okay. Then when time coming, and it is right also. When your body is weak, cannot enjoy, cannot walk, cannot eat, real teeth is finished, taking false teeth. In night or after when they eat, go in bedroom, take their teeth. So, nature saying now your body is finished. Your body is losing the parts, losing the eyes, losing the teeth, losing listening. It means now you should not be here. You will already not enjoy. Leave body, take new birth, come back again. Come back again, new child, fresh. Child always joyful. They cannot say go here, go there, dancing, running, full of energy. They are very full with energy. Old, energy is finished. But if you do meditation, and I say, as you do meditation, as you be with more present, be more in present moment, you will be more beautiful. As you coming in old age, you will be more beautiful. More fresh, more life, more enjoy. Only meditation makes you how do you enjoy the life. And every moment you will enjoy more. If you see any awakened one, Buddha, as he getting old, he become more beautiful. His body become more beautiful. Body getting weak, but beauty much shining, more shining, more beautiful. And when he leave the body, that moment he very best moment. Because he lived the life perfectly. He living life present. So this is it. So our parents need to take care of children till they not become independent. When they become independent, 20 years, 21 years, when they go becoming independent, then kids say also, thank you to parents. Parents also, their responsibility finished. Till kids are not independent, parents' responsibility is there. They have to be responsible. They have to take care of them. They bring them in this world and they have to take care and make them to they can be in world. They can stand in the world. And kids also should be, as you become young, you are ready to work, very good. No need to dependent to anybody. I am giving sannyas to people. First thing I say, first thing you have to be independent. When you are independent, you can do whatever you like. Anytime happen, you want something, parents don't want this thing, our family don't like that. But if you are independent, you have to follow as father says. as mothers. And it is right also. Because father giving you, taking you care, and he think for you need this is right, for you need that is right, you have to go. But your feeling is different, kids feeling different. They go other way, father want other way, and then fighting. So first thing, independent. When you independent, you are more free. How you like to live the life, wherever you are want to go, you can go. You not dependent with each other. And then, if you have love, as then love coming also. When you not dependent to each other, much love happens. When you dependent, then relationship, then angry, possessiveness, is all greed, jealousy is coming. When you dependent. When you not dependent, very. Also, so then slowly, when you become young, and parents going slowly old, when they very old, when they cannot do anything, then kids' responsibility to take care and pay back. Whatever you get from parents, now your time, you give back to parents. When you are child, parent takes care. Now, parents is old like a child. They cannot do much. They become like a child. Now, your responsibility to take care. In India, it is happening much. In India, always family, parents first take care of children. Maybe husband, wife, no have love. Not love. Love also finish after some time. They not love. But they living in family because children. Otherwise children will be finished. If suddenly divorce, wife go here, husband go there, what do children? Children is shocked. Children don't get what happening this thing. Why they are separate? Okay, they are separate because no love. In family, if you are living in family, maybe no love. Husband, wife, no love. But they living for children. Take care of children. Because they bring them. Children come through them. This is their desire. They want children. And then they have to take care. When child become young, independent, then they free with each other. And when they free, and if love is there, then children take care of. Children want to be with parents. And then when parents become old, they will take care of. They should take care. But for parents, one thing I say also, for parents is more responsibility to take the child. Child has not so much responsibility. When parents become old, they have to do, it is not. Sometimes happen, sometimes not happen. Sometimes children don't want to take care, not living together, don't want together. Child has own life, own wife, own husband. They want to be self and live with them. They don't want parents interfere their life. It's okay. Parents has more responsibility for children. Children has responsibility, but not so much. If children want, if they have love, and if they have love, sure, they take care. This is my mother, this is my father. Now they are old. Okay, I can take care. But many times happened when father, mother, it is old, living in family, living with son and son wife or daughter. Many times they make emotional. Very emotional game they do. These parents always doing it emotional. When they become more big. When they become old, more emotional. Then sometimes children don't want to be with them. It's okay. Don't want to be with them, don't be. But just take care. Financially you can do. If they need sometime your physical help, you do. Then you can. So this is like a balance. Before parents take care of children. When parents become old, then children should take care of them. So this is time is coming, and then your balance is happening. Whatever you get from them, you have to pay back. You are free with each other. Become freedom. And then, if you do meditation, your family, your home, everybody meditation, will be nice energy, loving energy. And this is right gift to parents, from parents to children. If they teach meditation, if children teach meditation to parents, then life is okay. But everything is happening like this, but many times happening, many times not happening. It is not fixed. It is not fixed. Every children has to take care of parents when they old. Should be. Should have, because they need you. They have your help. They need your help. So this is balancing happening. Before parents has to take care, after children has to take care. And then balanced, then you are free with each other. Free. So this is time. More other question?
Дальше. Кто такой я? Что я такое? Кто я? Или что такое я в этом мире?
Sandarshi, his question is, who am I or what am I? What am I and who am I in this world?
Good question. Who am I? And really you don't know who are you. Nobody knows. Your reality you don't know. You born a small child, then parents said, you are this name, you are that name, you are Sergey, Sasha, Irina, Russian, Italian, German. Slowly they giving you information. You are this, you are this. When you born child, you are don't know. Totally ignorance. Don't know who you are. Even you cannot talk. Slowly your talking start, listening start, and you become bigger. Then parents, society giving you your name, your country name, your nationality. Then you become more big. You are man, woman, boy, girl. Become more young. Then more information coming. Identification coming. But this all identification, personality from outside, whatever you get, it is ego. This is ego. When you born, you don't have ego. But slowly society, parents, family giving you ego. Giving you ego means false personality. Not real. False. Whatever coming from outside. This is false. And therefore say ego is false. Ego is no real. Ego can be finished any moment. But children has to be in ego. Otherwise he cannot stand. We have to give name him. We have to give this is your nationality. This is you. All. But this all is false. This is ego. So ego is developed like this. False personality, many, this personality, more personality, many layers. Slowly come. And then you know, anybody asks you who you are, you say, I am Sergey. I am Natasha. Like this. Where from you? I am from Russia. I am from Germany. I am from India. Then I am doctor. I am engineer. I am politician. So this all personality is false. And we living with this all false personality whole life, going like this. And slowly, slowly, as much as false coming, real you go away from the reality. Real going finish. Real is far away, and false is coming more and more. So this is ego. This is mind. Mind make like this. This is ego. Therefore, master, you ask to master. Master say ego is false, no real. And then sometimes search coming. Are you meet the master? Are listening spiritual pupil? Master say, you are not this. Whatever you think, you are not this. Whatever you know about you, you are not this. Then question arises, who I am? If I am not man, and this is also, you see, when you born, even you have your child. He born, he don't have name, he don't have nationality. Okay, he came in your family, then you give family name, then his name, then family name, then nationality, and you know, this we give him, and he understands. These kids get, and then he gets. That, like slowly, slowly he habitual this name. Somebody calls suddenly your name, you just turn, who is calling? Even in night, you are sleeping, somebody just come out of your door, call your name shouting, Sirige, 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 and suddenly you wake up, somebody call you. Because you identified with this name. You are this. But really, you are not this. Then question arises, who I am? If I am not this name, and this name coming from parents, coming from outside. When you came, you have no name. When you born, no name, no nationality, no family name, no anything. You are just empty, nothing. Then slowly, slowly, these all names coming, label coming, personality, this personality, that personality, so many personalities. And then you get it. And so many personalities, you think I'm this, I'm this, I'm this, I'm this. And really you finish. You go away from the real. And then master say, no, you are not this. You are not this man name. Even you are not the man, you are not the woman. Even you are not the body. He says you are not even the body. If you look, when any children born, before mother, in mother womb, he has no body. Before something going inside in mother. And slowly, slowly around this, we call soul, we call prana. Around this prana, body is created, body is happy. And then after 9 months, bodies come out from the mother. So it means really you are before the body. What is that? Okay, I understand I was before the body, and this science also knows. Science research it. Something going out of the body when anybody leaves. But what is this? Science cannot know. Science don't know this. What is that? What is that thing which going out of body and body finish? And body cannot talk, body cannot look, body cannot listen. Nothing. Body like a dead mud. Just nobody want to touch. So what is that? Which before body came, and when body finished, go out of body. What is that? That is you. That's you are. And all this meditation, inner journey is search of that. What is that? In Kali, that is consciousness, that is soul, that is divine, that is light. But don't know what is consciousness. Okay, heard consciousness, consciousness. Every day I talking also with you, consciousness. But don't know. This which day you know everything. Then you know who you are. And this inner journey only for one thing, to know who I am. Where from I came, where I go, who I am. When I leave the body, what will happen? Before body, what happened? Who is coming inside? Who took this body? So this. And this you know also many times happened. front of you, sometime somebody die, you just talking with him, maybe your grandfather, maybe your any friend, you were talking, and suddenly he finished. Something happened, heart attack, or brain hemorrhage, or some sickness, and finished. And then he cannot talk. And what happened? What is gone out from this body? What is go out of his body? That you are. That is you. And meditation, with so as you go, as you look, as you searching, one day this answer will come. One day it will happen. Which day you know who you are, you know everything. Then you know you are the not ego, you are not mind. Whatever you think you are this, it is nothing. And you are absolute existence. You are everything. But this you have to know. And meditation is the way to you know. Just go on, meditate, searching, looking. One day when you are ripe, when you fed up with your mind game, ego game, tired, finished, and then this answer will come. Then one day answer will happen. And then you know who you are. And then very clear will be. And then you, if you come back in body, after that will happen, which day, which moment you will know, you go out of body. And you will see your body is dead, just like a other body. You will see your death. And you are looking from out, body is dead. Even then you looking, start also, your friends coming, your family coming, take your body, go to burning heart, go to, want to burn, want to dig, and you will look, and then you see, I am not the body, this is body, not me. I am here, I am watching, and you are the watcher, you are the consciousness. But this, which day you get this experience. When it happened, then you know who are you. And that moment, this moment is calling, you become the enlightened. You know everything. You become enlightened, every knowledge, and then if existence want, you come back in body, come back. No one, gone. Finish forever. Melt in whole existence. If existence want, you come back in body, give message, existence message, give taste of existence, give taste of divineness, then you send you back. It is not in your hand. After that, after enlightenment, nothing in your hand. You come back, no come back, then just existence want. You are finished. Your desire finished, your wanting finished, you don't want anything, and then which day you don't want anything, that moment this answer will come. Which day you don't want anything, mind will be finished. When mind don't want, when you don't want, mind suddenly finish. Mind cannot stand. And as mind finish, reality comes. You know the reality. You know who you are. You know your realness. But mind is barrier. Between you and existence, mind is like a wall. This wall has to go. This wall finish, you will see clear. Existence totally clear. You and existence. You become like existence. Mind has to go. So that meditation, inner journey, spiritual journey is the way to know who I am. So when you going in inner journey, going in meditation, first thing happen, your life become good. You enjoy the life. You know how to live the life. How to live the life lovefully, beautifully, relax, joy. First thing happen this, and then slowly, as you living life start, then this question comes. Who I am? Who I am, what I am, where from I came, where I go after body. And then this question, which day this question is solved, you know the truth. You know the consciousness. Then you become the consciousness. This is journey is like this. Spiritual journey only started really when this question comes, who I am. And which day this question very strong go in your heart like an arrow. Just one arrow in your heart. I want to know who I am, who I am, who I am. I am, but who? Which day this question go in your heart, you will be not relaxed. All relaxation finished. You cannot enjoy answer. But this question is too much in your head all the time. I want to know who I am. Then till you not get answer, you will be not relaxed. And this day answer coming, totally relaxed. Totally satisfaction, fully satisfaction, fully fulfillment. You know everything. You know yourself, you know everything. Which day you know you are, who you are, you know everything. So this way of meditation, be with Master, be in his, sitting with him, listening him, feeling him, drinking him, drinking his energy, drinking his love, and then slowly your thirst is coming. Only with satsang one thing happened, Master give you thirst. Master cannot give you answer. Answer coming in you, but he giving thirst, making you more thirsty, more thirsty, more thirsty. And then which day your thirst is very full, 100% thirst, answer will shower. Answer will come. So Master, if you coming to Master and think Master make you enlightened, no any Master can make you. Only he give you thirst, making you thirsty, thirsty for divine, thirsty for consciousness. And which day your thirst is full, automatic answer will shower on you, wherever you are, no matter. If Master can make enlightened, he can make enlightened to whole world. Say, okay. But not in his hand. He can make, but depend on you, how much you are ready. If you 100% ready, one sitting, okay, finish. Even just meet will happen. Only one time. But if you are not ready, somebody 40% ready, somebody 50%, somebody 80%, somebody 70%. So slowly you become more and more ready with satsang, be with Master, listening him, getting the taste, and coming more to your center, coming more to your center. And as you come more and more, one day it will happen. Therefore, importance of the Master, be with Master, be with his satsang, sitting with him, listening him, drinking him. And then, with who you be, slowly one day you become like him. If you be with fighters, you become fighters. If you become violence people, you become violence. If you become loving people, you become love. If you become conscious people, you become conscious. So with whom you are. If you want to be conscious, you want to be loving, want to be relaxed, satsang is the best. Be in satsang, every day come, sit, as much as time giving to you. Be there. And then meditate and watching your garbage, watching your darkness will come, garbage come. Then as it's coming, it will be covered. One day, all garbage will be finished. All darkness will be finished. And you are the light of the light. So we finish now. And next 2 days is no satsang. Tuesday, Wednesday, no satsang. But if anybody want to sit silent, come. 9 to 10, 1 hour will be no music. Just come, sit, close your eyes. 10 o'clock, go. If you like to sit also, come. Next 2 days. So now we start the music. Enjoy the music. For Russian, I have one good news. One special news. Not Almaty, not Kyrgyz and not Kazakh, only Russia. So what news? You know, I have seen Putin is not racist.
Is it good news?
Putin.
Там дальше. Is it good news?
The question is it a good news?
Yeah, just good news means for you news. Russian is news. Who become the president? And from big, like majority, many people giving him vote. Big number. Record, he break the record. You like him?
Yes. Why?
He did good for Russia.
Because he becomes president.
Third time.
Third time.
Third time. Yes, now
Любите вы помидоры, есть праздновал удачу.